Hello, this is Eric at Prince George Ford, and we're taking a look at the 2022 Ford F-150 in an XLT trim and powered by a 5-liter V8 engine, providing you with plenty of power for towing, hauling, and 4x4ing, and coming with the black appearance package, giving you black accents, rims, and some other new trims, such as right here in the grille, as well as the hood vents and the vents here under the F-150 badging. Giving you just more an aggressive look, but let's take a look inside. Then looking into the back seat, where you have comfortable seating for 3 with a full leather interior that can be lifted up and out of the way to accommodate any other cargo. And in the middle you have 2 cup holders with a 12-volt USB, USB-C, and 120-volt power outlet. And this truck has a remote start, so no need to go outside on those cold mornings to warm up your vehicle. Looking in, you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks, as well as a fully power adjustable driver's seat. Now sitting in the truck with a running and looking at the steering wheel, on the right hand side you have your controls for your center info screen, where you can cycle through your trip and fuel information, truck information, towing information, navigation, phone, and audio controls, as well as settings for your screen and some other features around your vehicle, as well as having My View, which is a sort of favorite screen for any of those subcategories for ease of access. And moving on to the left, where you have your cruise controls, as well as your lane keeping system and your hands-free phone and radio controls along the bottom. Moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which is radio, Sirius, and Bluetooth capable, so you have some options there. Bluetooth phone controls, navigation screens, you're hopefully not going to get lost, favorite screen for all of your most used apps and settings, whatever apps you may have installed, settings for your screen, and some other features around your vehicle, and your general truck features such as driver assistance, zone lighting, towing, and owner's manual. Shifting into reverse, you have a backup camera so you can see where you're going. Above that, you have your camera view, again, your hazards, and your traction control shutoff. Moving down, you have your media controls as well as your climate controls with dual zone front climate and heated front seats. To the left, you have your Pro Trailer backup controller, trailer brake controller, and 4x4 controls with a locking rear differential and drive mode selector for normal, tow haul, eco, sport, and then on the opposite end, you have slippery, deep snow sand, and mud ruts. So you can customize your driving experience a bit there. And moving on to the right, you have a 12-volt and 120-volt power outlet, as well as this compartment up here for more storage. Moving down, you have this cubby area with a USB, USB-C, and then you have your main shifter with select shift on the side, so you can manually shift through your gears, and can be collapsed out of the way for more open space here, as well as having 2 cup holders and your lockable center compartment / armrest with a removable tray. Plenty of room inside, including another USB and USB-C, so you can plug something in from there too. And last but not least, you have a power sliding rear window. But that should cover our look at the interior. So now if you're interested, come visit us at Prince George Ford, pgford.ca, or call 250-563-8111 and have a nice day.